Protecting personal information. 9 times out of 10, when you're signing up for an email account, social network, or a plethora of other websites on the World Wide Web, you'll be asked the inevitable: what is your birth date? Advancing personal questions even more. Sometimes you'll be asked things like your full name, obviously, your location or birthplace, sometimes for security question, and any other random questions. While most of these are standard procedure and you shouldn't give it a second thought, maybe you actually should think about it carefully. Where are you signing up to? If it's for your email account, keep in mind that you may need to know the information you're providing. For instance, sometimes when resetting or recovering your password, you may need to enter your birthday, or the birthday you choose for your account. Because of this, you need to realize that if you sign up anywhere on the web or communicate your birthday anywhere on the web, publicly or not, people might be able to see that information. As mentioned previously throughout this course, details such as the following are not uncommon to be asked during the registration process, or even in the case of social networks and personal connection sites. And they can quite often also be related to account security related question, which translates to headaches and danger for you and your account in some cases. Commonly requested details often used for account security in other places. What is your birthday? What is your mother's maiden name? What is your favorite color? What is your favorite food? In what city were you born? What street did you grow up on? What school did you attend for X grade? What was the make of your first car? And the list goes on. While you may scoff at the idea that anybody would guess this or be able to decipher this information and use it to access your account, you'd be even more astounded at how often it really does occur. By the process of elimination, it's not out of the line to see how a hacker could use the internet to figure out what school you went to for first grade, or even what street you grew up on. Details as far as your mother's maiden name are not far out to uncover when using the internet craftily to find bits of information. These details can frequently be dug up somewhere on the web somehow. Even further, they can often be guessed by just looking up common lists, as in the case of the make of a car. Maybe not in every individual person's case, but it's better to be safe rather than sorry. Putting forth a little effort and preemptive thinking towards both current and future account creation and security management techniques can go a long way.